We have prepared an agreed ruling because, as you understand, we left this court very late last night. We have prepared a comprehensive ruling which we will upload in the CTS as soon as possible. But this is our finding on the ruling on the issue of recusal. The ruling deals with the background which we have given, introduction and background which we have given. We have summarized the applications, responses, and submissions made by all respective parties. We discussed the issue of one, impartiality as a ground for recusal. Under this, we have extensively analyzed the Bangalore principles on judicial conduct and our judicial code of conduct, among others. We have also discussed the concept of actual and perceived bias, as well as impartiality, and considered several judicial decisions. C, the threshold on recusal application on the grounds of bias and impartiality. The threshold on this ground is discussed also with reference to various decisions. D, whether the applications are merited. We have juxtaposed our discussions on the concept of recusal, the grounds raised for recusal in this case, which is bias and impartiality, with the specific averments in the application, and also against the evidence provided. There is an extensive discussion and analysis. This is our disposition. Having rendered ourselves above, we now wish to restate that given the public interest in this matter and the need for expedition, coupled with the urge to balance the interests of all parties, we shall also give further directions on the way forward. Consequently, the following orders do hereby issue. The applications for recusals are hereby disallowed. 2, the petitioners are hereby granted leave to file and serve amended petitions, if need be, within 5 days of this order. The respondents, likewise, are granted leave to file and serve amended responses, if need be, within 5 days of service in B above. D, in view of the nature of the pending applications for conservatory orders and those seeking to discharge, review, and set aside the conservatory orders in cohort 2 petitions, we hereby direct as follows. The applications seeking to discharge, review, and set aside the conservatory orders shall be deemed as responses to the applications for conservatory orders. Parties are at liberty to file and serve any responses and or further responses to either of the applications together with skeleton submissions within 2 days of this order. The said applications in one above are hereby fixed for hearing on 29th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. in this court. Leave to appeal is hereby granted, typed proceedings and certified copies of this ruling to be availed to parties at cost or as the case may be. The directions herein shall be forthwith uploaded in the court tracking system. Those are the orders of this court.